Hello everybody, it's Mike Kirby with another Made in the Shade Minute. And we're at a loft here in Little Rock, Arkansas, and we just put in some motorized shades from Somfy. This is a dual shade. So right now we have a 3% solar shade in crosshatch, and it's in an olive tan. And you can see the Clinton Library there in the background. So right now the sun is real bright outside, and the solar shade is on. With the dual shade, however, you have the capability of blacking out the bedroom. So we'll change to channel 1 on the Somfy remote. You see channel 1 flashing there, and here we go. Let's bring on the shade. So now with the dual shade, you have a blackout shade in the background as well. We just installed these crown pleat drapes with blackout liner as well. And so you have the blackout shade on the back with a nice 7.5-inch dual shade valance at the top with a metal valance. And then you have a nice nickel pole with nickel rings and crown pleats. This is Jefferson linen. It's from Horizon. Really nice pleat, all steamed. Everything is set. And then when you want to bring on the sun, you can raise both of them. These are both 110 volt motors, wide 130-inch shade, and a lot of sun's going to come through. This has been Mike Kirby with Made in the Shade blinds. This is a dual shade, and these are crown pleats with nickel finesse premium curtain rods and rings. And our address is www.madeintheshade.lr.com. Thank you.